Ready to finally stop fighting with content creation? Take a look at this. In less than 10 minutes, I planned an entire week of LinkedIn content. 7 unique posts, different formats, different perspectives, all aligned with my brand, all scheduled and ready to publish. And the best part? I never had to sit there staring at a blank page. This feels completely different from the usual content workflow. This is Dynal.AI, a platform designed specifically for LinkedIn content creation. It's not a general-purpose AI assistant, and it's not just another ChatGPT wrapper. It's a dedicated brand co-pilot built to help professionals grow their presence consistently. You bring your ideas, documents, links, and expertise. Dynal.AI turns them into content that sounds like you, reflects your positioning, and stays consistent over time. Because at the end of the day, building a personal brand isn't about publishing random posts. It's about becoming known for something specific. The challenge is that most people already know what they should be doing on LinkedIn. They've watched the tutorials, purchased the courses, and followed the advice. Yet they still struggle to post consistently. Why? Because information isn't the problem, execution is. Every time you sit down to create content, you're forced to make dozens of decisions. What angle should you use? What hook should you write? What format works best? How do you keep your voice consistent? That process drains time and energy. Dynal.AI removes that friction. Instead of rebuilding your content system every week, you can focus on sharing your expertise while Dynal.AI handles the heavy lifting. Let me show you. The first step is creating your brand DNA. This is where Dynal.AI learns your niche, audience, communication style, positioning, and goals. Once it understands your identity, every piece of content is generated around that framework. That means fewer generic drafts and far more consistency. Now let's create something. I'm going to start with a PDF. I upload a document that's been sitting unused in my files for months. Within moments, Dynal.AI analyzes the content, extracts the key ideas, and transforms it into a LinkedIn-ready post with a strong opening, clear structure, and matching visuals. Not a simple summary. A real post designed for LinkedIn. Next, let's use a URL. I paste a YouTube link. It could be my own content or something from my industry. Dynal.AI identifies the most valuable insights and converts them into a professional LinkedIn post that helps build authority instead of simply resharing information. Now here's one of my favorite features: trending inspiration. Dynal.AI surfaces real LinkedIn posts that are currently gaining attention. These aren't outdated templates or recycled examples. They're actual formats performing right now. I choose one that fits my style, select my topic, and Dynal.AI recreates the structure around my own perspective. You get the benefit of a proven format while keeping the content completely original. Now let's move into planning. Using the content calendar, I can map out an entire week of posts in a single session. A list post, a carousel, a quote-based post, a story-driven post. Everything organized, scheduled, and aligned with my brand. Once I'm happy with the lineup, I schedule it and move on with my week. The entire process takes a fraction of the time it would normally require. And if I want to improve a draft, I can use Refine My Post. There's plenty more available inside the platform. Visualize My Post can turn a single idea into a complete visual slide sequence. Carousel mode helps create LinkedIn carousels with titles, structure, and page flow already mapped out. Quotes makes it easy to create professional quote cards with matching captions. And Recommended Topics provides fresh content ideas whenever you need inspiration. No more wondering what to post next. No more losing momentum because you ran out of ideas. What stands out most is how much easier consistency becomes. Instead of spending hours writing content that may or may not sound like you can spend a few minutes building content that reflects your expertise and supports your brand. Instead of disappearing from LinkedIn for weeks at a time, you can maintain a reliable publishing rhythm. And that consistency is what builds recognition. Not one viral post, not one clever headline, but a steady stream of valuable content that reinforces who you are and what you stand for. To make it happen consistently, give Dynal.ai a try. Click the link below, upload a document, or paste a link, and see how quickly it can turn your knowledge into content that feels authentically yours. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.